How's it going, Officer Ward, Lockport Police Department? The reason why I stopped you is because you're going a little fast and the swerving. Do you have your driver's license insurance on you? Where are you coming from?
I'm going home. I actually just picked somebody up, but I come off.
You going home?
Yeah. Alright.
Where's home at?
Literally around the corner, so that stop sign, Bruce.
Okay. So where are you coming from?
I just dropped a friend off, but I live right on Soft.
Okay.
January 26, 2025. Illinois. One traffic stop. The driver claims he knows the law. He does not know when to stop talking. Officer Werrell clocked this driver speeding, observed swerving, noted the trunk was open while moving. 3 documented violations before the driver said a single word. His name is Charnell. Going home. Just dropped a friend. Watched football. Had nothing to drink. And studied law.
What were you doing at your friend's house?
Chilling. We're
Chilling.
actually Saturday.
Saturday? Okay. So when did you get to your friend's house?
A couple hours ago.
Okay. And what time did you leave your friend's house?
What time is it? 11, so 9? What does that matter, though?
Okay.
But you said I was swerving. No, I wasn't.
Okay, so...
I was going speed living.
Okay, we're in your phone?
Look, so, boom.
Okay.
I always put that just to see when I'm getting there. I'm 2 minutes away. I'm right there.
Okay.
So, this is normal for me.
Okay. So, you live here on Stock Drive. How long have you lived here?
My girlfriend is at home right now,
Okay.
so that's where I was going.
Okay. So you got to your friend's house at what time?
I've been out all day, so
Okay.
we were watching football, so
Watching football?
yeah, football started at 2 or whatever. So that's why I'm like, what do you mean?
Going 20.
I was swerving. What do
Okay.
you mean? I was following that car that was going the same speed that I was. I wasn't.
That car
speeding, I
wasn't in
doing
front of
shit.
you.
No. The car was in front of me.
Okay, but where I saw you swerving, the car wasn't in front of you. You were the only vehicle on the roadway. Okay.
What do you need from me?
Your insurance, did you find it?
The only reason I'm looking for it is because I just actually went from State Farm.
So it's State Farm?
No, I went from State Farm
Okay.
to another one.
Okay. When did you switch?
Recently, like January 26th. I'm looking up because this is my grandmother's thing.
Okay.
Because we are in the same, so I'm looking at it right now.
Okay. So what town is your friend located in?
The address that I still have pulled up right there is where I'm going to.
I know, but where were you at?
I was out.
I know,
at my
but
friend's
where?
house.
Where's your friend's house at?
In Joliet.
In Joliet?
That's where I'm driving from.
You're driving from Joliet? Okay. Where in Joliet?
That doesn't matter, though.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out the time of events to where you were coming from. Because you were coming, or I saw you at 355 and Gauger. Okay, Joliet is south.
Absolutely. So I went from Joliet to Homer Glen, which is a friend's house.
Okay, so you went to Joliet, then you went to Homer Glen at a friend's house.
I was in Joliet and I dropped a friend off in Homer Glen.
Okay.
And I went from 159th to come this way.
Okay.
And I'm going home right now.
Okay.
What do you mean?
All right. Do you have the insurance with the new company?
I'll pull it up there.
So your friend in Joliet, what time did you get to the Joliet address?
That you know damn well that
Okay.
doesn't. I'm just literally around the corner. That's why I was going home.
I get it.
So
I'm
that-
so
you
you
know
said
the
you left
time
your
that
you said you
it's
left
at.
your friend's house at 9 to drop off your friend in Homer Glen, correct?
I am football. You watch
Yeah,
football?
I watch football. I get
okay,
you.
so
Okay, so that's what time you left approximately when the football game ended.
Eagles played and the Chiefs played. So as
Okay.
soon as the Chiefs got done playing, I dropped him off in
Okay.
Homer Glen, and
Okay.
that's why I was coming this way, and this is why I'm on this road to go home.
Okay.
That's right here.
Okay.
I have no reason why. I'm so
Okay.
confused. Why?
Any reason why the swerving? Were you on your phone or whatnot?
Literally, I turned right there, and I saw you behind me, but there was a car in front of me. That's
Yeah,
my
there was
fault.
a car in front of you.
And I was going to. I didn't speed. I didn't do shit.
You
I
were
just
speeding.
turned.
You were speeding before I got you. Okay,
So that means the car in front of me was speeding
no.
too.
Okay. Okay. So at your friend's house in Joliet, what did you have there? How much did you have to drink?
What do you mean? I didn't do anything.
Okay.
We were watching that fucking football game, and I'm going home 2 minutes away.
Okay. So how much did you have to drink in Joliet?
No, nothing. Because I was earlier with my friend in Joliet, and I dropped him off in Homer Glen, and that's why I'm on this road. I'm right here. What do you
Okay.
mean?
So you had nothing to drink over in Joliet?
No, and that's why if you say that I'm swerving, it's maybe because I look down right quick, but I have this up right now because I'm going there.
Okay.
And if I go there right now, then she'll tell
Did
you.
you take any prescription medication in Joliet?
Nothing.
Okay. Did you smoke any weed in Joliet?
I don't smoke weed. No.
Okay. So you don't smoke weed. Do you drink alcohol?
No, I don't do none of that shit.
So you didn't drink tonight?
I haven't done nothing. Whatever
Okay.
you want to do, you can do, but I'm telling
Would you
you right
willing
now.
to do field sobriety testing?
No, because it's unnecessary. But like what I'm telling you right now is that if you're telling me right now that I was swerving, I don't think so. I was not, because there was a car in front of me.
Okay.
And I didn't even know you were behind me, but either way, it doesn't matter.
Okay, so I'm smelling the odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from your breath. You said it was Saturday, correct?
Yeah.
Today's not Saturday.
It's Sunday. It's the football game.
Yeah, it's
I've already
Sunday, correct.
I already
It's not
explained all of
Saturday.
that.
Okay. All right, for now, could you step out of the vehicle? Step out. Come back over here. Any reason why the trunk was open?
You can check the trunk.
I know, but why was it
probably
open?
accidentally popped it.
Okay.
I could pop it.
Because you were driving with it open.
No, I didn't.
You weren't driving with it open.
No.
So when did it get popped? When was
Are
the
you trying
trunk
to
popped?
make a thing right now? I legit just saw it, so I just went like that. I'll
Okay.
pop it again for you to see it. What do
Okay.
you mean?
So I'm going to request that you do some field sobriety testing, just based on some of the indicators I saw and some of the things you said. Okay.
What'd I say?
Okay. Based on some of the things I saw,
What'd
some
I
of the things you
say?
said, I'm asking you to do some field sobriety testing. Would you be willing to do the testing?
Under Illinois, DUI law impairment is established through observable indicators, odor of alcohol, erratic driving, and behavioral signs. All three were documented before the stop ended. The traffic stop created reasonable articulable suspicion. The detected odor converted it to a DUI investigation. What happened next determined probable cause for arrest. He said Saturday. It was Sunday. He said football game, then block party. He said Joliet, then Homer Glen. 4 locations, 1 short night. He argued that field sobriety tests are not pass or fail. Technically correct, they are standardized indicators used to establish probable cause. Refusal to participate is itself a noted factor. Probable cause for DU. IRS does not require a failed test. It requires a reasonable belief, based on articulable facts, that the driver is impaired. Officers had that before the field sobriety test concluded.
What did I say?
Okay.
I'm asking. I'm only asking because that doesn't make sense.
You
to
said it
me.
was Saturday. I'm smelling an odor of alcoholic beverage coming from your breath.
It's Sunday, and I watched the football game, and
I
I dropped my
understand that.
guy off. You asked me why I'm on this road. I dropped my friend off. He goes in Homer Glen, and I'm right here on this road.
Okay.
And I'm 2 minutes away. What do you mean?
Like I said before, you have a strong odor of alcoholic beverage emanating from your breath.
How?
You were swerving on the roadway.
I have my...
Your trunk was
You
open when you were driving.
you asked me
You were
why.
speeding. Okay.
That means the person in front of me was speeding, dude.
Okay.
I'm
The
not-
person in front of you was not in front of you when I got you on radar. Okay. It's all on camera. Okay. So I'm going to ask you one more time. Would you be willing to do the field sobriety testing?
Go for it. I don't care.
Okay.
But I'm telling you, go whatever you want to do. But I'm telling you right now, you asked me my timeline. I dropped my homie off, and I drove down the street. And the person
Okay.
in front of me, literally, if I was speeding, then they were speeding. I was just going home.
All right. Do you know approximately what time it is right now?
Yeah, it's like 11:30.
Okay.
11:45, maybe. But like, what do you mean?
Okay. So you're willing to do some field sobriety testing. Did you want to do them here, or did you want to go back to the station where it's warm?
Oh, I'll do it right now. I don't care.
Do it right now? Okay.
I think it's-
All right. Take a break. All right. So now what you can do? Face me. You get permanent breath sample. You're going to blow and you're going to take a sample like you're blowing out birthday candles. You understand?
I understand. I'm not blowing no.
You don't want to provide a sample?
No. I haven't even been drinking all night, and I've shown you that.
Okay.
Did the test tell you that?
Okay.
Drink
So this
otherwise?
is just something we request.
I know that, but I also studied this.
You studied
I
it?
caught myself. Like,
Okay.
I haven't shown you anything other than that. I haven't drank.
Okay. So,
What do you mean?
what do you mean by you studied it?
That's what I went to school for.
Like law?
Yes.
Okay.
So what I'm telling you right now is that nothing that I gave you indicates that. And
Okay.
I'm telling you right now, I'm 2 minutes from my house,
Okay.
and I get it. I know what you guys are doing. It's cool.
Okay.
Who do you work for?
I get it.
Okay. So I'm gonna ask you again. This is part of the field sobriety test. Would you like to provide a permitted
Part
breath
of
sample?
it. I understand that.
Okay.
But at the same time, nothing.
If you said you had nothing to drink,
nothing.
if you said you
has
had nothing to drink,
indicated that I've done that.
what is that?
Zen.
Okay. So
You guys know that.
I'm gonna request that you provide a permitted breath sample. Would you be willing to provide a sample?
No, because it's stupid. You know that I haven't, and I'm down the street from my house. You know that I haven't done that. Your test that you just did showed that I'm perfectly fine. So I'm so confused right now why this is that big of a deal.
Okay. So you don't want to provide a sample.
And he asked me, he goes, what do I mean by that? And what I mean by that is, you know damn well that, like, I'm fine. If you want to follow me
Okay.
on, that's fine. But,
So
like,
you have a strong
what are
odor
you
of
doing?
alcoholic beverage coming from your breath. Okay. You're saying you didn't drink anything, but I could smell it. Okay. You were swerving. You drove
was
with your
not
trunk open.
swerving.
You drove with your trunk open.
if
Okay.
my trunk was open, that was an accident. It must have been open way before that. And
Okay.
even as soon as I saw it, I closed it. Like, what do you mean? That happens all the
Yeah,
time.
you were driving with it open. You were driving with it open.
That does not indicate anything. You
Okay.
know, like, that could have been an accident. People drive with their trunk open accidentally all the time. That's all I'm
You
saying.
said you're a cop. Who do you work for?
What I'm trying to tell you guys right now is that he's saying my trunk is open.
Yes.
That could happen
Pulled up. Yeah, sure. It can,
all the
but it
time.
doesn't mean
Look
that you
in my
weren't
car.
driving.
You can go ahead and
This is-
search
okay.
every. I will
Is it-
give you permission to search my car.
Okay.
But right
Who
now,
do you work for?
I'm not even. Nope. What I'm telling you right now is, you said my trunk was open, right? That happens all the time. That's an accident.
What they got a what speed for, right?
All right. Who do you work
What did
for?
you say?
They got what speed for.
They
You know
do.
what I'm talking
You're right about that. But what I'm telling you right now is the simple fact that my trunk was open. He said that. My trunk. That's an accident, dude.
Go on. All right.
But what I'm
So
telling you right now is, like, I passed. I know I passed it because I haven't done anything all day. I watched the Super Bowl. Not the Super Bowl. I watched football all day. The Super Bowl is whenever.
So if you were an officer, though, then wouldn't you know that it's not there? Those tests aren't pass or fail. You realize that, correct?
It's not pass or fail, but
Okay.
you do also understand that when you do those tests, you know when someone's really.
okay. So
You know
be
when
honest to
someone's
me
fucked
about
up.
how much you had to be. Be honest
That's
about how
what
much you
I
had to
plan on
drink.
doing, but you asked me a question. That's why
Right,
I
because you're
answered
trying
you.
to identify yourself as a police officer, but you won't tell us where you work.
What I am
So-
no, that's
Okay.
wrong.
Okay. So you're not an officer. Are you?
I'm
or
not talking to him.
Are you a
but
police
I'm talking
officer?
To you.
Yeah.
I'm talking to you, right?
Are you a police officer?
What I'm trying to tell you right now. No. I am not a police officer.
Okay. Then
So
what are
no.
you talking about where you studied this? No. What does that mean?
What I'm trying to tell you is that, like, you guys know damn well that I'm not fucked up to where I can't go down the street around the corner
So
to my
you would
house.
admit that you were drinking just a little bit.
No, I
Okay.
legit.
So you just said that you're not fucked up enough to get to where you're going. What does that even mean?
Then came the preliminary roadside breath test. He refused, and that refusal went on record. Illinois implied consent law applies when officers have probable cause to suspect DUI. A driver must submit to chemical testing. Refusal is admissible as evidence and triggers an automatic license suspension. Post-arrest refusal of the chemical test 12-month automatic suspension. Post-arrest failure 6 months. He had already shown officers exactly which choice he would make. And then he said it on camera. He was not, quote, bleeped up enough to get to where he was going. Officers did not need him to repeat that. The microphone had it. That statement is a partial admission. It does not establish a specific BAC level, but it confirms alcohol consumption. Combined with odor speed and swerving, it completes the probable cause picture.
Just face that officer right there. Phase that officer right there. Put your hands on the brake. Somebody's got 95.
Oh, what's happening?
You're being under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol.
Charnell was charged with driving under the influence and received citations for operating an uninsured motor vehicle, improper lane usage, and speeding.
The officer had heard enough. Charnell was arrested for driving under the influence. Additional citations operating an uninsured motor vehicle, improper lane usage, and speeding radar clocked at 95 miles per hour. 4 separate charges, 1 traffic stop. The officers get an A. They documented every indicator before the arrest odor, erratic driving timeline contradictions. PBT refusal. Under Illinois DUI law, all elements for probable cause were established before handcuffs came out. Nothing here gets successfully challenged on suppression. They let the subject talk. He obliged. Charnell gets a D. He refused the preliminary breath test, adding it to the probable cause picture. Changed his timeline 4 times. Said Saturday when it was Sunday. Made a partial on-camera admission and argued legal technicalities while demonstrating exactly what those technicalities are designed to catch. Illinois law does not require a breath test result to convict on DUI. Officer testimony detected odor and observed driving behavior are legally sufficient. He handed them every element they needed. One lesson from this stop: knowing legal procedure is not the same as knowing when to invoke your rights. The correct move: stay silent. Ask for an attorney. Say nothing else. Subscribe for weekly bodycam legal breakdowns. Drop a comment: 4 charges from 1 stop. What should the sentence be?